Hello?
Hello?
Who's this?
Who is this?
Well, you called me. Who are you looking for?
I don't know.
Oh, well, I guess I'll talk to you later then. Take care.
Oh, do I? No, don't hang up. Don't hang up. What's your favorite scary movie?
Oh, definitely Bram Stoker's Dracula by Coppola. Oh my goodness. First of all, Gary Oldman, the soundtrack. Did you know that in that movie, all the special effects are done in camera with one exception? And can you believe that? I mean, all the things that are happening in that movie, they're all done in camera. For a movie in the early...
That's enough. Do you like photography?
Sure, I like photography.
Well, what are you doing November 7th, 8th, and 9th?
I don't know.
Well, if you come down to Hunt's Photo and Video for their annual Fall Show, you're sure to be in for a treat.
Tell me more.
Hunt's is going to be offering exclusive savings, including 18 months no-interest financing. We're going to be having free seminars and experiences at our Melrose store location. Oh, wouldn't you like to know we're also going to be offering them in Waltham, Providence, and Holyoke. Hunts will also be paying the sales tax on new cameras and lenses for most brands.
That sounds terrific.
By the way, what's your name?
Why?
Because I want to know who I'm looking at.